What's up, guys? All right, today I'm working on finally getting to the F250 right here. You remember it has the broken transfer case and a broken front drive shaft. So we're gonna start replacing that. It's gonna be a first timer for me, like a lot of jobs. You know, I work on a lot of different stuff, but shouldn't be a problem for me. Hopefully, thanks to God. You know, stay committed. Anyways, there it is, guys. See if I can get y'all a view inside of it before we bring it down. For me and those that really never seen inside one of these, guys, I guess I'm gonna keep this as a souvenir. I'm a savage as much as I can get out of it, and keep it for a souvenir, guys. But the front shaft is over there, broken. We're gonna replace that, and we're gonna like band-aid this wire harness. Got little nick wires in some spots. So, and after that, we probably on another video we're gonna be freaking, what I'm trying to say, we're gonna be, I can't think about it. We are going to be trying to tune up this drive line, guys. All right, that's what I'm trying to say. So, yeah, this thing looks funny to me because it's all broken, but I'm pretty sure I got the right part. I'm about to put it on now so I can find out if I got the right part or not, if I need to return it. But appreciate you guys for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you like this. Hit the thumbs down if you dislike this. Share it with your community, and man, it's time to boss up on this thing, guys. All right, guys, so this is not going to be a step-by-step video, so I'm just kind of explain what I'm going to do, then I'll probably come back after it's done. I'm gonna first take the electrical connector off up there. I'm gonna unhook the shifter connection right there, and I'm gonna go around this housing and take all the mounting bolts off, and I'm gonna leave probably one or two, and then I'm gonna tack this drive line shaft, what thingamajiggy you call it. I'm gonna move it out the way, and that's pretty much gonna be it, guys. And I'm gonna come back once I get that done. All right, so I got the drive shaft out the way. It's sitting on top of the exhaust pipe, and now I got the linkage out the way, the shifter linkage out the way, and I got the electrical connector out the way, and now I'm about to start getting the bolts around the housing, and I'm probably gonna wait till I get me some help or figure out how I'm gonna support this down by myself. So I'll be back after that. All right, guys, so now I got everything removed. Only thing left I got is the vent tube on top. Make sure you get the vent tube off. I forgot about that almost, but I didn't forget, so I'm gonna get it off before I break it, hopefully. And I got one more bolt that's holding in the transaxle, so I got all the bolts off around except for that last one. So I'm gonna get the vent hose off, and then the last bolt hole. And as y'all see, guys, this thing is leaking everywhere. It's leaking all around the transmission, so I'm gonna have to pretty much do a transmission seal, at least on this pan in this rear. The front is not leaking too bad. It's probably leaking whenever it's hot, but at least it's not leaking right now. So I'm definitely gonna call them out on this one. And so what else have I done since the camera came off? Just kind of wrapped this thing out the way, tied it up. Got my bunch of cables right here. I got my jack underneath it. I got a floor jack underneath the jack stand underneath the transmission. It's pretty, and I got the cross member out the way. Cross member on the floor right there. So that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so I got this out now. I can go ahead and try to put the new one in, and I'm gonna see how that work out. But that looks pretty bad. Get y'all in there. pretty cool. Maybe I can make another video of tearing this down so we can all, I mean, if I can figure out what it looks like on the inside, and maybe can learn something. I don't know, but this looks pretty cool. I'm kind of curious about tearing it down, and I'll just throw it all away once I tear it down, you know. All right, guys, so I got the drive shaft hooked up. So obviously that means I got the transfer case back in. I just don't have the front one hooked up because I want to make sure that front differential is not locked up, or I want to make sure it's not real bad, or if it's see all the fluids leaking, but I want to make sure that's not what caused this last transfer case to blow. So only thing I got left is this linkage to the gear shifter, because you know, like I said, I'm still testing it, so everything like the electrical connector and everything else to the transfer case is hooked up. I just want to fill it up, make sure it's full of fluid, top it off if it ain't, and then now I'm gonna just jack it up in the front and make sure that front differential is not locked up. So I'm just kind of thinking about rehearsing in my mind how I'm going to do it all. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm going to stop here. I got the front end off the ground. As you see, both wheels off the ground. And I'm going to turn this wheel, and you can see it really turns. Actually, I don't know what's going on. I don't know too much about these 4x4s, but yeah, I really don't know. But I mean, it's turning. It sounds good. Other than I don't know what's causing this front wheel to lock up, and then engage like that. I don't know what causes that, guys. So maybe if you can put in a comment and school me or refresh me how these axles work, differentials work. Other than that, I kind of think everything's good. It definitely needs, the differential needs to be rebuilt. I don't think he used the front wheel drive anyways, so I'm gonna just go ahead and finish putting this front shaft on. I'm going to have to do U-joints, guys. I'm not doing that on this video, so that's why I'm ending it here. Might make a separate video with just doing U-joints. And also I couldn't complete this front shaft job because the old transfer case had half of it ripped off right here, so we don't have this hub. So we are going to have to get new bolts, and I don't have the bolts on hand right now. I do have some bolts I can use right now, but I definitely want to get the proper type of black steel bolts that goes around here. If I can get some bolts right now, I'm going to use to test this thing and just to move it around the parking lot, so I don't have to, so this truck don't be blocking my driveway. But other than that, what else I'm going to do before I crank it up, I'm going to like I said, top the fluid off on the transfer case. On this side, you can see right here, here's the drain, and over here is the fill. So I'm going to top it off and make sure it's full. And I'm going to probably lift the back end up and see how well it turns, to see if the differential does the same thing on the back. If the differential does the same thing on the back, then I think the differentials are okay. And what I'm going to probably do is I'm probably going to go refresh myself on differentials and read my textbook on differentials, and just in case I need to start getting ready to rebuild these differentials. I want to be prepared mentally, I guess. I don't know, whatever, guys. But I'm gonna just refresh myself. But that's it, guys. You get the point. The front shaft is just like the rear shaft. You just but these are 4 bolts I don't have for the front shaft. So pretty much just gotta pause here and talk to the client, let him know where I'm at, let him know how DPLs he want to go into this job, as far as doing the leaks on the transmission pan and everything, and I got to refresh myself on how much all the parts cost. But anyways, guys, pretty much I'm gonna probably update you guys in the next video how this job went. But I'm gonna end this video here and continue working probably off the camera, guys. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video.